Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dog owners should tell their veterinarian as soon as they're concerned with their dog's cough, especially if the cough is accompanied by other symptoms like loss of appetite, nasal discharge, difficulty breathing, or weight loss.
Let's help you make your mark.
You should be able to tell your vet a few things about your dog's cough, including if it sounds dry or wet, when it began and how often it is occurring, if there is any accompanying discharge being hacked up, blood or mucus, and if it happens more when he eats or during the night. 29 June 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Every time your dog is coughing, take her to the vet. If she has absolutely zero symptoms besides the cough, she's standing there wagging at you and looks the same weight she always has, and the cough started 10 days after boarding or grooming, your vet may prescribe antibiotics and send you on your way.
Let's help you make your mark.
Signs of heartworm disease may include a mild persistent cough, reluctance to exercise, fatigue after moderate activity, decreased appetite, and weight loss. As heartworm disease progresses, pets may develop heart failure and the appearance of a swollen belly due to excess fluid in the abdomen.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some of the most common causes of coughing in dogs are heart disease, chronic bronchitis, heartworm disease, and respiratory infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Beyond the usual suspects lurks other, less common culprits that may be behind your canine companion's hacking. 25 July 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
How can dogs catch kennel cough? Kennel cough is airborne and highly contagious, which is why it can spread through kennels quickly. It is also transmitted with bacteria on toys, food bowls or other shared objects. 7 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.